Welcome back. Today's video, we're going to unbox the best home security camera system that you can buy today. This is the Lorex 4K Smart Deterrence Fusion Security System. I bought this system about 2 years ago. When I bought it, it was about $799 because I had a break-in. But tell you what, this is one of the best home security systems that you can buy today. It has 8 wired 4K Ultra HD cameras. It doesn't use Wi-Fi. It's fully wired. In case your internet goes out, it still continues to record. It has a powerful NVR network video recorder with a 2 terabyte hard drive, which means no monthly fees, similar to what you have Nest or Ring. Let's check it out. This is the Lorex 4K camera system. Let's unbox it.
This is the actual camera. I mean, the build quality. I've actually done a window shopping of other camera systems and they don't come quite as good. The actual build quality is like no other. These are 4K cameras, high gloss black exterior with the camera system inside. These are your security lights, which are motion activated. You have Lorex emblem on the side. I suspect the sound of the alarm system comes out through these perforations. And then these are, you can unscrew this to adjust the orientation of the camera. And then this will be wall mounted. So if you have your wall mount, drill a hole in the exterior and pass these cables right through, and then the camera is going to be on the outside and it's going to be flush in that fashion. 80 degrees Celsius cables. Can take quite a bit of heat. Can zoom in here, see that. This is one of the boxes which comes with the package. It's the 8-pack 60-foot Cat5 extension cables to connect your camera system, and you have 8 of them in a box. This is for your RJ45 cable connector, which goes to this RJ45 cable connector as well, which is weather sealed for dust and other type of contaminants, rain, snow, water. So that's what happens. Connect these to your Cat5 patch cable. And this is the Lorex camera. Very high quality 4K camera system. And then you have 2 cables here. One is 12 volt DC power, which is optional if you're not connecting power through your RJ45, which in this case, power will be delivered, will be sent through the RJ45 cable. So this is what we have. So these will go right through here, just like this. That's going to plug in like that, and then you'll plug in the. This is probably the female junction on top of that, and just screw it in this fashion, which means it's complete weather sealed. Rain, snow, ice, it doesn't matter. That's going to work. So if this is on the outside, it's fully weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about water getting into your cables. So I'm just going to unplug it, and to unplug, you just press and release the Cat5 patch cable. Cat5 cables will connect to the 4K cameras, and you have 8 of them in a box. 2 terabyte 4K Ultra HD NVR, which is night vision recording system. So on the back you have a bunch of this is 8 channels, so for each of your cameras. And then you have your high-speed internet, and also VGA for your monitor. These are your mic in and out, HDMI, and USB. So this is it. This is your 4K Ultra HD system. Reading and quick setup guides. There's another box in here. So here we have type of LAN cable. So you have your power cord, HDMI, and so they even comes with a mouse when you're navigating the device, which is pretty good. Also in the box is the smart hub, one hub with 3 sensors. Let's open this up and I'll show you guys how that looks. So you have your paperwork, kind of looks like your Alexa device. So this is the smart hub that you'll find packaged. And then these are your, have two Bluetooth proximity sensors and one Bluetooth motion sensor. So this is it. So you have two proximity sensors and one Bluetooth motion sensor. And I believe these are your double-sided adhesive material to connect it. So you have that. So I'll go right ahead and begin the build, setting up the Lorex 4K smart system. Now I'll probably do another video of this setup, but this is just an unboxing. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll put a link to the description and also the links to buy this product. I can guarantee you guys this is a good product. You have night vision, 4K, alarm system, motion detection, and the whole 9 yards.